Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can issue sales invoice or customer invoice on MyT. To issue an invoice, we need to go to sales section on left sidebar and click on create invoice. Here we can select customer from drop-down list, or we can add a new customer directly from this invoice. And only mandatory field what we need to fill in is company name, but if you want to issue invoice or send invoice directly from system, we need to add email address as well. So my company will be Travel Limited. Email, I will use my email address and click save. Okay, so from drop down list I can select Travel Limited. So next section is items. Here, if you don't select view more item details, you will be presented only with two fields. But if you separate your cells, make sure that you click on view more item details so you can amend or select correct account where you want this revenue be recorded or sales recorded. So description, I will call product 1. Income, but this would go under sales product section in my case, or you can just select sales. Okay, net amount, I have £185. And once you have filled in all these details, click save. We can still edit this line or we can delete. Next section, we can add remarks if we wish to, and also we can add any attachments if we want. So this will be sent or distributed with an invoice at the same time. On right hand side, we have invoice number automatically generated by system. We need to select invoice date. So in my case, I will select 1st of July and due date is 30th July. But we can amend if you give different terms and conditions. For example, if it's 7 days payment terms, so you give 7 days to pay, so you can amend it. Add any terms if you wished, and if there is nothing else to add, click save. To see all invoice, we need to go to sales overview, and here is my invoice for Travel Limited. When you scroll to right, you have an option to download this invoice. This is how the invoice will look like. Or we can distribute directly by clicking on that green envelope, and email has been sent out. So customer would receive the same as PDF file invoice they will receive in their email as well. So in this episode I showed you how you can create and issue sales invoice or customer invoice on MyT accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me.